Namaste bachchon. Today we are going to see our Hindi class. Welcome all of you. I hope you all are fine, eating healthy food and being healthy at home, wearing mask, listening to your parents and doing studies regularly. Okay? Okay students. Now, students, in the last section we saw swar. Swar means vowels. In English, as we know, the letters A, I, E, O, U. This particular letters we call it as vowels. In same way, in Hindi, there are particular letters we call them as swar. What we call them? Swar. A, E, U, Ri. A, I, O, Au, Ah. A, E, U, Ri. A, I, O, Au, Ah. Okay, students. This letters sounds, all of you can hear some sounds that I'm telling now. E. This sounds we will add to the vyanjans. We will add the sounds to the vyanjan. Then the vyanjans will change into different letters. Okay, Ngla? So today we are going to see our next part is Vyanjan. Now Vyanjan means consonants. Vyanjan means consonants. As in English, A, I, E, O, U are vowels and other letters we call them as consonants. In Hindi also, A, I, E, U, Ri, A, I, O, Au, are swar, are vowel letters, and the remaining letters we call them as Vyanjan. We call them as Vyanjan. Now I am reading the letters. All of you see carefully. K, Kh, G, Gh, N, Ch, Ch, Jh, Jh, Nya, T, Th, 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 N, Th, 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 Na, P, F, B, B, M, Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S, H. So this in brief I have just told you the letters, but you won't be knowing the letters clearly. So today we are going to see the letters one by one. First, let me introduce the first line of the Vyanjan, that is K, Kh, G, Gh, N. While reading, we will read like this only. K, Kh, G, Gh, N. Now let's see these letters one by one. The next line is Ch, Ch, J, J, Nya. Ch, Ch, J, J, Nya. Now the first letter in Vyanjan is Ka. The first letter in Vyanjan is Ka. While writing Ka, first we put one sleeping line, then one standing line, then one circle and one curve. Then this will become Ka. Okay. Now the first letter of Vyanjan is Ka. Now let's see what is the picture related to Ka. Ka se Kamal. Ka se Kamal. Kamal means lotus. All of you know lotus, very nice flower, very beautiful flower. So we call lotus in Hindi as Kamal. So first letter for Kamal is Ka. Okay. Ka se Kalam. Ka se Kalam. Kalam means pen. Kalam means pen. So whenever you see pen in your parent's hand, you have to say it as Kalam. And when you see lotus in the temple or in flower shop, then you have to say Kamal. See, the letters only are rearranged here. Kamala, in this it is Kalama. Okay. Now I will explain one by one. Kamala. Kamal. In English it is Kamal. Kamal. Okay. So in English it is lotus and in Hindi it is Kamal. Now for pen we call it as Kalam. 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 Okay. Now it is kh. Now it is kh. When I was telling ka, I pressed it and I said ka. But while saying kh, I am saying it lighter. Kh. Okay, a little bit air you have to take it and you have to say kh. Now let's see what are the pictures related to kh. Kh say khat. Khat means letters. Kh say khat. Khat means letters. Okay. Kh t khat. Kh t khat. And the next picture is the beautiful rabbit. The rabbit we call in Hindi as khargosh. The rabbit we call in Hindi as khargosh. Kh r go sh. Khargosh. Kh r go sh. Khargosh. The now next letter is Ga. The next letter is Ga. Ga, see, it looks like 6, a standing 6, not a curve 6, a standing 6 and one straight line. This letter we call it as Ga. What we call it as Ga. Now let's see the pictures related to Ga. G से गमला. G से गमला. Gamla. Ghamla. Ghamla. Ghamla means flower pot. Gamla means flower pot. I hope that all of you are having flower pots at home. Yes or no? So while seeing the flower pots, you have to point it and you have to say to your mama, G se Gamla. Okay, la. Now this is, all of us know it is a cow. It is a cow. Cow in Hindi we call it as Gai. What we call it as Gai. G se Gai. G se Gai. Ga plus Ya is Gai. Ga plus Ya is equals to Gai. Okay. Ga se Gamla. Ga se Gai. Now the next letter that we are going to see is G. The next letter is G. For G you have to put one small curve and a big curve and one standing line and it will become G. Okay la? Now the pictures related to G is G se ghar. G se ghar. In English we call it as home. In Hindi we call it as ghar. In Hindi we call it as ghar. G से घर. G plus ra घर. G से घड़ी. G से घड़ी. This alarm we call it as घड़ी in Hindi. G से घड़ी. G plus D घड़ी. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Now it is nya. Now it is na. Sorry, it is na. See, this sound, we only know the letter, but we will not write this letter with any words. And no picture has been related to this letter, but we know this sound. We should know this sound. While reading the words, we will combine the sound with other letters and we will read the words. Okay, in the next classes, in the other classes, sorry, in the next standards, you will be seeing this sounds, then you can learn it. Okay, now it is enough for you to know to write this letter. For this letter you have to put one small standing line and one yes like letter, then it will become na. Okay, kha kha gha gha na. In that na you have to write this na. Now let's move to the next slide. It is cha. It is cha. For cha, you have to put one sleeping line first, one standing line, and then one small sleeping line and one curve. Then it is cha. Now let's see the pictures related to cha. Cha se chanda. In English we call it as moon, and moon in Hindi we call it as chanda. Cha se chanda. Cha in da. Here the na is half, so I have written it as in. Whenever there are half letters, we will put the in sound first, e sound first, then it will be added to this letter and it will become in. Okay, la. Cha in da. Chanda. And here you know all this. All of you know this picture. We have seen along with Gandhiji. This is called as charka. This is called as charka. In charka, we weave cloth. We weave cloth. In charka we weave cloth. च से चरका. च से चरका. च र का चरका. Okay. Now let's move to the next letter. Ch. The next letter is ch. That letter we said as cha. This letter we have to say it as ch. For ch, one small curve, one big curve. The curve will go up, 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 and then one small round will be put, and one standing line. Then this letter is ch. Okay, now let's see the picture related to ch. Ch se chhatri. Ch se chhatri. Chhatri in English it is umbrella, and in Hindi it is chhatri. While going in rain, you have to say cha se chhatri, taking the umbrella, and you have to sing the song. Okay, cha se chhatri. Cha se chhatri. Cha ta ri chhatri. Cha ta ri chhatri. Now this letter is ja. This letter is ja. It is also looks like same like cha, but in cha first one sleeping line will come, then one curve will come. But in ja, first there is no sleeping line, direct one curve is there, and here one sleeping line is there, and one standing line and one sleeping line. Then it is ja. Now let's see the picture related to ja. Ja se jahaj. Ja se jahaj. Jahaj we call in English ship, and in Hindi we call it as jahaj. Ja se jahaj. Ja ha ja jahaj. Ja ha ja jahaj. Now let's see ja. The next letter is ja. For ja, one small sleeping line and one S like alphabet, and here one knot and one small sleeping line and one standing line. This letter we call it as ja. Now let's see the picture related to ja. Ja se jhanda. Ja se jhanda. Ja in da. Jhanda. Jhanda in English we call it as flag. And this letter is nya. This letter is nya. Same in first line how we saw the letter na. There is no picture or word related to that letter. Same way the nya also there is no word or picture related to this letter. Only the sound is there. You have to remember this letter, how we have to write it, and while reading the words we will include this sound along with other letters. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. This is Ginti from 1 to 5. Now let's see the number names in Hindi. All of you have seen the number names in English 1, 2, 3, 4. In Hindi, let's see the number names. How many balls are there here? 1. 1 we say in Hindi as ek. 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 In English, I also have written here ek. Okay. Now let's count in Hindi. Ek, do, ek, do. See here how I have written do. I have written the letter da, and I have put o matra. What matra? O matra. Then it becomes do. D-H-O. Do. How you have to write do? All of you see carefully. Yes, you have to write do like this only. Ek, do. Now let's count in Hindi. Are you all ready? एक, दो, तीन. एक, दो, तीन. So 3 we call in Hindi as teen. 3 we call in Hindi as teen. 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 Okay, now again I'm counting. See, ek. Ek means one. Ek means one, and there is only one picture for ek. Okay, now there are how many bags here? 2. 1, 2. In Hindi we will count it as ek, do. Do means 2. Now ek, do, teen. Ek, do, teen. Teen means 3. Now here let's see all of you. Now there are how many boys? Let us count. In Hindi only we will count now. Okay. एक, दो, तीन, चार. एक, दो, तीन, चार. Char means four. Char means four. Char, char. Char, char. एक, दो, तीन, चार. Now let's count how many girls are there here. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच. Panch means five. All of you show your five fingers. How many fingers we are having? Panch. How many fingers we are having in one hand? Panch fingers. That is five fingers. Now see here, I have written the Hindi numbers and Hindi words for that. One, ek, ek. One, ek, ek. Two, दो, दो. Two, दो, दो. Three, तीन, तीन. Three, तीन, तीन. Four, चार, चार. Four, चार, चार. Five, पाँच, पाँच. Five, पाँच. Okay students, so I hope all of you are clear till the first two lines of Vyanjan and Ginti, that is number counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I thank you all. Let's meet in the next section. All of you take care of yourself. Thank you.